So, Miss Dee Dee, it seems like everybody always comes to you to find out what's happening here at COTB Fellowship. So I figured we would just have you here with us so you can let us know what's on the calendar.
Next is a barbecue. We're sending the pastors to Bulgaria on a missions trip.
Okay, awesome. And when is that barbecue?
It's August 25th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m.
11 a.m. to 2 p.m., okay? And can anybody go to that barbecue?
Absolutely. If you buy a ticket.
Buy a ticket?
Buy a ticket.
I heard that Sandy has already passed out several tickets.
Yes, she's passed out 600 so far, and our goal is to sell 1,000.
Okay, and everybody who has those tickets needs
Need
to have...
turn their money in for the tickets that they already have.
And when do they need to turn the money in?
Today.
Today. All right, awesome. And we're going to be selling 1,000?
Yes.
Awesome.
We will sell 1,000 tickets.
We will.
Because if we sell 1,000, that means we make $6,000, and that would be great for the pastors.
Awesome. Well, I keep seeing these cool blue shirts all around town.
Yes.
Can you tell me what these are for?
Yes, Myra's Sporting Goods made these shirts to help defer the cost for the barbecue, to buy the food, the plates, just stuff like that to help defer the cost.
And how much are these shirts?
They're $15.
Okay. And where can they get these shirts?
They'll be in back of the church today. Protect your house.
Awesome. So go stop by the table after church, $15. They're awesome.
Awesome.
So what's next on the calendar?
Camp meeting.
Camp meeting?
Camp meeting.
Woo! Camp meeting 2012!
Yay!
Okay, I keep hearing this phrase. Faith United?
Moves mountains.
Faith United moves
Moves
mountains.
mountains.
Awesome. That's our theme this year.
Yes, it is.
When is it going to be?
September 23rd through the 27th.
Okay.
Times are 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. And Monday through Thursday also 10 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Awesome. And who are our special guests?
Pastors Greg and Diane Coleman, Pastors Dean Love, and also Mark Coleman will be here for music, special music. And then we have someone else coming. That's a surprise.
Surprise. Awesome. Well, we're so excited for camp meeting. I cannot wait.
Absolutely.
Well, every time I drop my Riley off at the nursery, I always see the same faithful women there serving with amazing hearts, and they do great at it. But I would imagine that they would like to enjoy service every once in a while. So
Sure.
do we need volunteers?
Absolutely. We need volunteers not only for the Sunday services, but even for camp meeting.
Okay.
And if you're a grandmother, like I'm a grandmother, Riley's my grandson, you can be out, you can go to help in the nursery. Absolutely.
And there's no greater gift than pouring into a life of a child. So all of our children's departments can use your help. So if you've got a heart for it, if you feel the need to go serve in our nurseries, you can either talk to Gail Ruth after service or Pastor Dennis after service.
Or me.
Or Dee Dee. Okay, well, thank you so much, Dee Dee, for being here with us today. Thank you for answering all of our questions.
Thank you. Enjoy church.
Yep. Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye.